Hey, come on, man. Why did we try? You could try now. Go. You go. Alright, come.
Can you rev it?
No.
The battery's dead.
You joke. This car does nothing for a revving. It's terrible. We have an exhaust system coming for it, though. It will be much better. Anyway.
So we just crashed?
Yeah.
Oh, I heard it.
What the fuck? It's normal. We are driving the very, very special McLaren 765 LT. And now it has amazing 5-star wheels, newly designed RDB wheels, actually. And they look amazing. This is not a wide body car, and the lip in the back is the largest I have seen on a non-wide body McLaren before. It is a beautiful wheel. We also made a concave and a retro style wheel at the same time. So really, really proud of that look. It looks spectacular. It has the center seats, as you can see. It's got green all over, full black suede, lots of carbon fiber, special MSO car, obviously, because it has the center seats and all that. And it has that special order color on the outside. Looks incredible. We opted for the polished lip brushed center wheels because it looks really good on the green. This same owner of the car has the SF90 green one. So can't wait to see those two next to each other. We are still waiting for the titanium exhaust system coming. So the sound is a little bit weak right now. It is completely stock, other than the Novatec hood, springs, and wheels. So you'll see this on the channel again with the exhaust system making more noise and all that stuff. But right now we are headed back to the shop, and hopefully the shop is still there because it's only Sarkis and Moses right now. But yeah, let's go and film more stuff.
Hey Moses, you open your car.
All right, guys, we're standing in front of, I don't know what this is. It's a Fast and Furious car. One of our good clients, actually, it's a Charger, and it's a monster because it has that on there. You can't even see out of the windshield, to be honest. I drove it from the shop to here very safely because can't see shit. But this thing was bright orange before, and we just wrapped it in the Hexis body shield PPF gloss black. It's a clear bra, but it's gloss black. You guys have seen this do this on like a Cullinan, a Range Rover. Literally the nicest gloss black in the market. Nothing compares to this thing. And like I said, it is a clear bra. It's self-healing, but it acts exactly like paint protection film, but at the same time, it is gloss black and it is super shiny, almost zero orange peel, like a brownish color. It's actually black. You're gonna see a little bit of orange here and there on old cars. It's almost impossible to cover all that. We did a little bit of rubber spray coating on some areas that unfortunately we cannot wrap. Came out good for what it was before, for just a wrap, not a paint job. Classic cars like this, you usually do not wrap, you paint. But for a 1 week quick job, clear bra gloss black, looks incredible. Very, very tricky to drive this car, honestly. So good luck to the owner on driving it. I think it's kind of like a novelty piece for him. I mean, it's almost identical to the Dominic Toretto car. So we wrapped the jams too. I mean, you'll see a little bit of old orange overspray from the old car spray paint. So don't judge that kind of stuff. This is all, just judge our wrap. And honestly, this car has a few dents and cracks all over it, but you could barely notice with the wrap on there. Painting this could cost, depends how crazy you go. You could go somewhere, pay $5 and get a really bad paint job. You could come to us. This is maybe, I mean, it depends if you're gonna fix those cracks and stuff. This car, 20 to 30 grand, probably to paint it. The wrap significantly cheaper and faster. So, and you could remove it if you want. So, but for now, looks great. Hope he enjoys it.
Porsche is an older Porsche. As you guys can see, this thing has a million lights inside, brake pad wear, light bulbs. It has really old brakes on here. So we're gonna do front and rear brakes, rotors, pads, oil filter change. It's due for a very good tune-up. It hasn't had one for a while. Javier's right now changing the light bulbs on it that are burned out. Tomorrow we'll have the parts here. We'll do the rest. Complete brake job, front and back. Good service, tune up, and that's it. Wrap this one up. Yeah, remember this Jeep? We did this Jeep like, we did this Jeep 2 years ago, remember?
Yeah.
She's gonna do the same color. Only reason why we're doing it again is because it got damaged from like stains and tree sap, sun, car washes and stuff like that. So yeah, she loves this thing. We're gonna do it again. No door jams, same thing as we did last time. It's gonna last another 2-3 years. Actually longer, much longer.
You don't have to take off the body panels?
You have to. We started this today. We have 3 people on it. She needs it back fast as possible. So we have Mr. Brian, we have Daniel, and we have Santos. Santos is heat gun. You can't use it because Sergio broke it over there. And yeah.
What are you, Dom Toretto?
What is he in Fast and Furious?
He's stupid. Punching the car in front of the split brake.
Front of the what?
Spray wood.
Oh.
All right, folks, we're standing in front or in back of my Range Rover. The official first wide body, any body kit of some sort in the United States. First from 1016. Unfortunately, with anything first, this is kind of like a prototype kit, but it is the same design that we're putting into production, which is currently right now. But on my car, we're doing, you know, the fine tuning on it, obviously, as you can see. Mr. Bondo Man over here.
Oh my God. Why you have to say that?
He's holding that in the whole time I'm talking. He just
Why you
wants to
have
talk.
to say that?
Because that's what you are. The rear diffuser right here. Beautiful design. It's a little rounded, just like the car is. I think this is the perfect kit for it because I've seen the 2 other kits out there, other brands, and they're too crazy. Does not go with the lines of the car. This goes really nice with the lines, actually. This is going to be 3 pieces, like he explained. So if you have like a tow hook over here, you could take it out, and then you could put it back in whenever you'd like. So functional as well. We're going to have fake exhaust tips here because the exhaust tips on this car are underneath the car. We could have this in chrome, in black, or body color. For this car, I think I'm gonna do body color because I'm doing all satin pearl white almost everywhere on the cars. And then obviously we're gonna get to the wide body flares and then the front, which is still on the car right now. Yes, we'll go show you the front as well. I like this front lip because you don't have to remove the bumper to install this. Actually, this kit, you don't have to remove anything to install it. So really, really versatile, except the rocker panels are gonna be the trickiest part of it. As with most cars, the rocker panels are always the hardest actually because it has to line up and all that stuff. So we're gonna show you how easily this goes on. The rear goes on easily. Even the flares, they glue on easily. So you don't have to remove much. Very, very quick kit. As you can see, boom. So you get a lip that goes inside this part of it, holds it really nice and secure. All you do is put some glue on the edges, maybe some screws on the bottom, and you're done with this. But this is all gonna be pearl white as well. Don't mind this piece. This is actually supposed to be white. It's kind of ugly and black. Normally, all these vents here are black. We painted it to match the wrap. So this is paint and this is wrap. The front grille is also painted to match too. So this is a really cool color. You guys can take it out now.
But there is another piece over this.
Yes, we're gonna deal with that too. That's secondary, okay? But yeah, this is a beautiful color. It's satin pearl white.
Marvin.
Okay, it's okay, mas bando. No problema. The only one that cares about anything quality here at the shop is this guy. And then there's the head honcho here that doesn't do anything except thinking about wheels for his G-Wagon.
Not a fan? What wheels would you do?
We did it on the Range Rover. Beautiful color. One of my favorite colors. Oh, you're a big Moses. Okay, let me help you catch Moses.
That kills animals and stuff.
Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. All right. So see you on the next one. Haha.